Hello everyone. In this video let us see how to change the layout of the home page and the restaurant page. To change the layout you should visit deliware.app/admin website and then enter the valid credentials to log in into the site. Now click on the settings options and then click layout settings. Here you can enable or disable various options so that only the option that you have enabled will be displayed to the end user. If you have disabled the landing page, then the home page will contain all the restaurants for the end user. This is the default home page with various restaurants. If you enable the landing page, then the home page will be displayed like this. This page will contain all the details about the app. Please note that this is just a page on top of the default page. You can also change the contents of the landing page by clicking on the Content Management option and then click on the landing page. Here you can click on then content you wish to edit. After editing, click Save button so that the changes will be updated in the home page. If the customer enters the delivery address, default home page with various restaurants will be opened. All these restaurants will be displayed under various segments like Nearby Restaurant, Top-Rated Restaurant, Popular Near You, Fastest Delivery, Popular Brands, and more restaurants. If you want to remove certain segments, then you can disable them here so that those segments will be removed from the home page. Here we have disabled Fastest Delivery and More Restaurant option. Therefore, those segments have been removed from the home page. Please note that all these changes will be updated in the home page as well as in the mobile app. Likewise, you can also change the restaurant page settings. If you choose standard, then the home page for a particular restaurant will be displayed like this. Your restaurant details will be displayed adjacent to the menus. Ratings and favorite icon will be placed on the top of the restaurant banner. If you choose basic, then the home page for the restaurant will be displayed like this, where all the menus will be listed one below the other and the review and favorite icon will be placed on top of the restaurant banner. Like this, you can change the layout according to your needs. Thanks for watching and I hope this video was useful. See you on the next video.